If you are struggling or having a hard time, there is absolutely no reason that you should have to do that on your own. There is a full team of people here who want to help you at the University of South Wales, so let us. So my name is Liv Bishop and I'm one of the mental health advisors here at the University of South Wales. Coming to university can be a really scary and really tricky time, and there may be times at university where your mental health isn't at its best. We at Student Services are here to support you and make your time at the University of South Wales the best it can be. So my team offer more hands-on practical support for mental health. So our role is just to help you manage your mental health and make sure it doesn't have a negative impact on your time at university. So to access our service, what you would do is you would book a wellbeing advice appointment. They will do an assessment with you, and then you can be referred to us if you need a higher level of mental health support. My advice would be to speak to someone, and speak to someone early. So you really don't need to wait until you start to feel worse. There is so much support here, and there is so much support we can give you even at the early stages of not feeling well. So the best thing you can do is take that first scary step and ask for help.